It's like Mr. Potato. I'm Mr. Potato. I'm Mr. Potato. Why am I ear this only one? Okay, I have 2 ears now. Get checked.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, udah lama banget gak ketemu. And how are you guys? So this is my new segment on my channel, which is, what is it called? Draw with me. Yep, like draw with me. So I think it's quite interesting. And how do you think about this? Are you interested? Please comment below. Jadi sekarang aku mau buat temanya tuh kayak abstrak gitu, and I got the inspired by, you know, Pinterest. Beep. Ya, pokoknya itu. So enjoy guys.
It's like people are down, I in the town, more like
2,000 years later.
I'm finished, so how is the clay? Oh, and this is my favorite one because it looks so very cute. And this is my desk look. No, yeah, ini quite messy, but that's okay. I enjoy what I do today, and hope you guys always enjoy everything you do as well. And don't be afraid for anything you want. Don't be scared for something new, and just do everything. Just do it. Just do it. If you want to do something, just do it. Okay, just do it and trust yourself that you can do everything. You can be anything you want. Okay guys, okay, and goodbye. See you in the next video.